Alright folks, this is it. Our new Dodge Travco. It's a beauty, isn't it? Well, eventually it'll be a beauty. But this is the beginning. This is the side. Because we endeavor to make fascinating commentary. But you know what? It's gonna be a blast. Can't you just see it? So, here we go. This is the palace. Look at this. It's all there. The gorgeous bed. Look at the size of that bed. That's got to be at least big enough for maybe 3 dogs. This is what we have to look forward to. What we're going to start working on. I like that name though, the Boomermobile.